Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Ruby ji. Good morning,
Good
Alok
morning.
ji. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
Kaniz, Mahinder
Good
ji,
morning.
and Raseshwari. Good morning. I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for your time and on this session, which is for parents. And today's topic is going to be toys. Toys, toys, toys. It has everything in it. So much of learning, so much of innovation, so much of stories, so many stories along with it. And um, I mean, everybody has played with toys. There is, you can't restrict to one or to two or to three different types of toys, different places all over the world. People are playing with toys. So today's topic as being toys, I'll, start with Ruby ji to help us understand the importance of toys with a small short story.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It's an early morning, but I'm out somewhere. But yes, I have an exciting story to share with you. So the story is the name of the story is Land of Toys, and yes, through stories we can talk about the difficult lessons of life. So the story starts. There's a boy named Ken, and he's playing with toys. Boring bear, boring robot, boring train, and he's throwing away all the toys. And the mother enters. But they are new toys. You got it yesterday only, Ken. What is wrong with you?
Hmm.
I want new toys. I don't want them anymore.
Hmm.
And the mother leaves the room.
Hmm.
Now all the toys they have to leave for land of toys because
Oh,
they're not wanted anymore. So they all get into the toy cart and they have to leave for the land of toys.
okay.
The robot he throws a bead at Ken's face, and we are all going. We are leaving you now. And the toy cart leaves the room. The bead hits him on the head, and he wakes up with a start. But he's surprised. There are no toys in the room,
Hmm.
and only three blocks are lying on the floor. He
Okay.
gets up, he picks up the one block, and a sound comes. Whoop! He picks up the second one, second block, and again the sound comes. Whoop! Without realizing what is happening, he just looks back and his body is shrinking. The moment he picks up the third block, it is the land of toys. A
Wow.
beautiful place, a beautiful music is going on, and it's full of lights. And now he's being welcomed by a dog. Welcome to the land of toys. We don't have human visitors, but anyways, this is the first time you're coming here. Welcome to the land of toys. He steps inside and he asks him, "What is this all about?" The dog explains, "When all the children leave their toys, they end up here. They all come
Mhm.
here. I've
Mhm.
still got most of my stuffing, but there are toys which are in bad shape as well." Okay. So he had never thought before where his toys went when he throws them away. So suddenly he hears the thumping, somebody coming with a very loud sound, thump, thump, thump. He asks the dog, "What is all this going on?" The dog says, "It's Robo and his gang of evil toys. They
Oh.
trouble all the toys here." And suddenly he sees the gang comes in, they enter and they start throwing away all the toys here and there. All the toys are running helter skelter, asking for help, help, help. Now, Ken follows them and he shouts at them, "Stop that!" But nobody is taking any heed of him. Now he follows them till the base, and suddenly he's caught by the Cupid guards. What is all this going on? So now he's taken to a room and he's asked to mend all the old toys. So there's a toy card asking for a coat of red paint on itself, and the robot it comes and it asks tighten up my screws. So he's finishing all the errands throughout the day, and by the time it's evening, he hears somebody whisper at the back, "Over here, Ken. Over here, Ken." He
Oh.
looks back and he sees his own toys. He's feeling very bad about it. "How come you are all here?" They say, "You sent us all here." He said, "Okay, okay, I'm very sorry. I was throwing you all away, but let's go back to our home." So they all get into the toy cart, and
Mm.
he decides to run away.
Mm.
And Robo and his gang, they realize they come to know about it, and they say, "Catch them! They're running away!" And in that process, Ken fumbles and he steps onto a ball and he falls down, and all his toys, they come tumbling after him.
Oh,
Now Ken is taken to the lion.
oh.
Lion is the king of land of toys. So when he meets him, he says, "What's wrong with you all? I'm taking away my toys. I'm not taking your toys. Why don't you allow us to go?" The lion says, "Because a moment ago you were throwing them all away.
Hmm.
Now all these toys are mine."
Hmm.
So the lion figures out that he's feeling bad. He says, "Okay, don't worry, don't worry. I'll give you a new box, red box full of new toys, but you leave all these toys here."
Hmm.
So all his toys are worried because he wanted new toys. And even Ken starts thinking, "Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll be getting new toys." But when he looks back, he sees the sad look on their faces, and then he thinks in his mind, although they are old toys, but they are fun to play they are fun to play with. So
Right.
then he decides, no, I should take my toys back, not new toys. So he, with a very with determination, he says, "I want my toys. I don't want any of your new toys." The lion wonders, "Oh, I'll have to let them go now."
Hmm.
So then he says, "Okay, you can take them back." So then all the toys, they get back into the toy cart, and they plan to go back. And while they're going back, the lion asks, "What is to be done now?" Ken says, "Yes, yes, I know. I'll take good care of my toys." And the toy cart moves out in full speed.
Wow.
And next morning, Ken is sitting on his bed with all his toys around, and he's wondering, "Oh, was it a dream?"
Hmm.
And then he looks at his fingers and he sees smudges of red paint.
Wow.
And so, was it a dream? What do you all say?
It's beautiful. It could be a dream, it could be reality. So
Yes,
that
we
was a
have to leave children on that note.
imagination. True.
Yeah,
So beautiful story,
thank you so much.
Ruby. She is an expert at storyteller. She's a magician at stories. And
Thank you so
that
much.
was such a beautiful story, Ruby ji. And from the story, what I'm sure parents would take away is how children learn responsibility, love and care, loyalty up to an extent. Like, when the lion offers new toys, he gets tempted. He is tempted,
Temptations in
but
life,
still,
yes,
yeah, he still wants to take his old toys and he's loyal with them. And he learns responsibility and how to take care instead of throwing them away and not loving them.
yes.
So he also makes decision making. He decides, right?
Yeah,
I should
he
not be taking
decides
the new
also.
ones. I should be loyal and I should take my
Right
earlier toys,
decisions. Yes.
my favorite toys, which I used to play earlier.
And
So
when you
many
see
things
it,
children learn with stories.
and when you see the picture, it's like when he decides to take back, the lion is supposed to be a big picture, and in that picture, it's depicted that he looks small and
Yeah,
he's scared.
yes, yes. But
So you
he
feel
takes,
stronger when you are loyal. It's
yeah,
not for somebody else that you are loyal. It's for
yeah,
yourself.
yeah. He gathers that courage to stand up and speak in front of the lion, even if
Yes,
he is a king. That
yes,
I will go ahead with my old toys. I don't want the new one. So he gets courage also. So many things just from
yes.
one story. Stories are super impactful. Thank you so much, Rubiji. And
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak.
yeah, so Rubiji is traveling and she has taken out the special time for us to join. Thank you so much. If you
Thank you so
wish,
much.
yeah, you can move ahead and log off. We'll continue with the
Thank you.
other
I'll log off.
panel
Thank you
members.
so much.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
my pleasure.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a safe
Bye.
trip. Bye.
Thank you.
So we'll move on with our next panel. Kanis, Fatima Kanis. She's also a parenting expert. And after this beautiful story, I have so many other questions with all the panel members, and I'm so excited about this. So it's the what I would like to understand from you, Kanis, is when we say toys for children or for adults, what do we call as toys, or what kind of toys, and toys are of different forms. So could you help us understand, give us some insights on these things?
Hello, Binaji,
Hello.
and all other panelists. It's a great joy to be on the show. So, regarding toys, there are so many things. to explain. But let me just stick on to something. What is the difference between games and toys? See, children like games and toys, but games they're not identical. Games are having particular set of rules that is to be followed, whereas toys turn out to be so imaginative and so creative. They don't stick on with any kind of rules or any the set of points that we need to follow. There's nothing like that. Toys go beyond the imagination. We can't even imagine what toys can be. They are so creative. So toys could be of different types, like it could be magnetic, it could be educational toys, it could be wooden toys, rechargeable or no, rechargeable batteries or soft toys. But sometimes uh, things turn out to be toys.
Mm,
That's something that
true,
even I feel.
true.
Sometimes pillow becomes a baby, curtain
Yeah,
becomes a door,
yeah,
and sometimes, pebbles and stones, mud
yeah,
and leaves, they
yes,
become toys.
yes, true.
And we get engaged with those toys to such an extent that the whole day, we can pass on with these toys.
Yeah,
So there are toys, which I feel kitchen utensils also become a toy.
yes.
My kids usually come up with all these kitchen utensils, whatever I have, they are with me sitting and, playing something. So we can't even imagine what toys can be, what kind of toys. You need not have a Rubik Cube or any Lego along with you. Even if you don't have that, things turn out so different when, toys are concerned. That's what I have to say. It's like I can't even imagine what things turn out to
True.
be toys.
True, true. We can, like games, if you look at games, they're totally different. You need a set of people, or sometimes you can play it alone. You have a set of rules which you need to follow. There's a
Exactly.
pattern. It could be a board game or an outdoor game. But with toys, you are totally open to creativity and imagination. The whole world is yours. You can imagine that a ball is a sun. So it is so beautiful.
Sari becomes, when you just get a shawl, it becomes a sari,
Yeah.
and then becomes a teacher, and
Yeah.
then or a homemaker or something, and then totally the whole scenario is changed.
Yeah, it becomes a curtain, or the same sari can become a curtain, or it can become a
Yes,
carpet. You can just
right.
imagine. Up to you. On and kids are so beautiful, beautiful with imagination. You can never. I mean, even we cannot imagine those kind of things. What they can make with maybe just a small piece of paper or a stick, or any other toy. One
Yes,
toy, the aeroplane, they can make it. They can imagine that it's a bird. So it is so beautiful.
exactly.
Okay. Would you like to say something more, or would you have
No,
kids? So, any experience with your kids that you would like to share that you can, recollect immediately?
that's what I said day before yesterday also. My mixer grinder
Huh.
was the jar was with my daughter,
Okay.
and both started quarreling, my younger child and
Huh.
the youngest one. So both of them started quarreling to such an extent. So I asked, what do you want exactly?
Huh.
So my daughter is telling, no, this is my cup, and I
Oh.
want this as a cup.
Okay.
I want to pour water and I want to drink. So my son is telling, no, this is not a cup. I want it as my trophy.
Oh
This is my
wow!
trophy. So I
Imagine.
was like, oh my God, my mixer jar has become a trophy.
Beautiful.
But but that was something,
A
which I
trophy.
felt, no, I want something, I want this.
Wow. They related to the
So
shape and the
yes.
shine.
Huh.
Wow. That's beautiful.
So we can't even imagine what things turn
Yeah.
out to
True,
be.
true, true. Absolutely. We just look at things the way they are. Like this is red, so it's red. This is blue, so it's blue. This is a pen, so it's a pen. After growing up, we lose that imagination in us,
Yes,
right?
and we as parents hardly go to that extent, to ask children what it is.
Yeah,
We may just, end up telling that, no, I'm not going to give this jar, it's not meant for playing, and we just keep
yeah.
it there. We don't even tend to ask them what exactly is there in your
True,
mind. Why do you want to quarrel?
true. 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 Absolutely true. Thank you
Thank
so much,
you.
Ganesh, for
Thank
sharing
you for
this
giving
experience.
me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Let's move ahead to Raseshwari, the next panelist. And she's an energy transformation coach. And she's a beautiful soul, a parenting expert as well. And can I call you Ras? If that's
Definitely, sure.
okay. So with you, the point which I would like to understand or, help us, our audience also relate with it, is what could be the learnings and benefits from toys that you think is possible?
You girls were already talking about that. And in the beginning, Ruby ji has also told the way it actually, brings the creativity in the kid and all those sharing, caring thing. And
Right.
right now, Kaniz also spoke about the things. What she spoke about, I can relate it with the consciousness, basically.
Uh-huh.
Because
Okay.
it's, kids always have a lot of consciousness.
Right.
And when we don't actually get into that thing, and we keep on thinking as per our logical mind.
True.
So with time, slowly, consciousness, it, lowers down when we keep
Yeah.
on controlling them.
Mm.
So that's the reason I will share one example, one incident.
Please.
Sorry if I'll be taking more time.
No,
So
not at all.
I was just, one lady was here in my class with her kid. And
Okay.
just to engage her, I gave her a toy. It was
Mhm.
just a new toy, a soft toy in a box with a flower. Okay.
Mm.
And when she was playing, we were in the class, and suddenly she saw that the kid, that was, I think she was just 3 years old kid, and she just broke all the petals of the flowers. She separated them, and then she started finding something near my dressing.
Okay.
Okay. And then she this got bindis. Okay. Then
Okay.
she put bindi in the this center of the each petal, because they
Okay.
was like piled petals and sticked. And I was like, after suddenly her mother saw, he said, बेटा आपने ये क्या किया? आंटी ने अभी आपको टॉय दिया और आपने अभी तोड़ दिया उसको सारा. And I said, see, it's our perception,
True.
right? That usne tod diya. Just ask what fun she's having into that,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
way she's perceiving.
True.
And then she said, okay, beta, are you enjoying it? What's it? She said, Mama, now there are a lot of flowers.
Wow.
So this is what they have, a lot of consciousness, and the way
True.
we were talking, it's imagination and all the things, it actually enhances their consciousness,
Yes.
and we empower them to be conscious.
Yes.
And rest, yeah, it makes a massive impact on a child's overall development, psychological, physical, enhances the creativity.
True.
And also when kids are playing with something, they're using their hands, they're using their feet. So it
Exactly.
helps to develop the motor skills also,
Yeah.
right?
True.
When they're playing with the ball and something.
Very
Also
true.
develop the senses, depending upon the material of the toy.
True.
Yeah, with very soft, that is hard, or
Yeah.
right, sometimes it's like colors, sounds,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
And when they play with these puzzles or something, right, problem solving skills,
True.
lot of things. And they also
Yeah.
learn, or one more thing, kids get bored very quickly.
Yeah.
So by engaging them with the toys, their attention span that increases.
Yes.
We can engage them, they can engage themselves for a long time.
Hmm.
And also they learn about sharing, team bonding, and everything, how to care.
Yeah. Yeah.
And for especially with the girls, it happens,
Uh-huh.
doll hai to doll ko saath mein leke hi sona hai. Right?
A sense of belonging.
Yeah, that gives the sense of belonging, and also they feel more secure, kind of. They have
Yes.
a best buddy to be
Yes.
with them every time, with whom they can talk any shit.
Yes.
कोई समझ रहा है या नहीं समझ रहा है,
हाँ.
उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है, but उनका टॉय सारा कुछ समझ रहा है, वो जो लोग
हाँ.
बोल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
That helps them, I mean, feel more secured. And also I'll say abstract thinking, when you were also talking about such things, right? The way they imagine, because they get into the role playing.
Yes.
अच्छा मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगी या मैं
True.
बनूंगा, I'll do this role, you do that.
Yes.
So that way they are actually it's their abstract thinking is being enhanced.
Yes.
And also I'll say that it improves their verbal communication also.
Yes.
Because sometimes kids are not comfortable talking to their talking to the people around them, but
True.
they are comfortable in expressing everything to their toys.
Toys.
Right, and also they love to talk about their
Yeah.
toys.
Yes.
अगर हम उनसे बात करेंगे, उनके बारे में पूछेंगे तो नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन टॉय के लिए, टॉय को ये चाहिए, टॉय को ये हो गया, मेरा टॉय
हाँ.
टूट गया, ये कर दिया. They love to talk about the toys. So it actually enhances the verbal communication also.
Yeah.
And because, and also a lot of things like what to talk, what
Yeah,
not
there are
to
so
talk.
many things. True.
Yeah, toys actually brings lot of difference in their life.
Huh.
And if we they are like the teachers, they are like the companions, they are like the best friends,
True.
everything to them. And that's the reason that and kids don't require anything, they can just stay without any, be human beings, because they know they don't feel any difference between we and the toys. They are so
Yeah.
much, they are so attached to them. उनको लगता है कि नहीं 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 यही मेरी जिंदगी है, because we as a parent sometimes we are available, sometimes we are not.
True.
But with toys,
They're
toys are
always
like
together.
24/7, they can have them.
True, true, true. So beautifully you
So that's the thing. It's our, like, after that, it's our duty or responsibility how we can make them feel more secure.
yeah.
And that's the thing. Thank you so much. I think
You're most welcome. Plus, you've put so many things in a nutshell, and it was so beautifully done. Thank you so much. It was wonderful knowing different perspectives which you shared with us, like what kind of different learnings a child would have. So you've shared it with us so nicely. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
And,
having me. Thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. So we'll move to Alok ji. He is also a parenting expert with us on this panel. And with Alok ji, I would like to ask you to share with us what is your perspective on the toys of the earlier years, the yesteryears, today, and as a technology, how all these things have clubbed in together, merged together, like pehle ke khilone aur aaj ke khilone. What do you think is your perspective?
Yeah, first of all, good morning, everyone, and thank you for
morning.
giving me this opportunity to talk about all this. Since you people already have covered so many things, I just want to take you to the era of yesterdays, as you
Okay.
rightly said.
Yeah,
मैं जब बातें करता हूँ, जब मैं अपनी आंखें बंद करता हूँ, मैं अपने बचपन में चला जाता हूँ.
true.
And
Sab.
I see myself playing in the mud, first of all.
Yeah,
Climbing to the trees,
yeah.
running here and there in the fields. खेतों में मैं घूमता था. So when I start thinking of myself, I take you to the entire era wherein भूल जाओ भी आपकी you are 30 or 50 whatever.
Yeah.
आप बच्चे बन जाओ and start thinking, imagining the way you used to play. So when you get into that mode of recalling your past, you feel that हमारे लिए there was no definition of a toy.
No.
पेड़ पे चढ़ना was a toy, अमरूद तोड़ना was a toy, aiming at the mango was a toy, creating bow and arrow.
Yeah.
और we didn't had that kind of a tools. हम जो चीजें available होती थी उसी से बनाते थे.
सही है. सही है.
बांस को ऐसे मोड़ करके,
हाँ जी.
रबर बैंड को बनाते थे स्ट्रिंग,
जी.
एंड टूटे हुए साइकिल के स्कूप से मैं वो तीर बनाते थे.
हाँ जी.
और उसके नीचे जो उसका पकड़ने वाला है वो टूटी हुई चूड़ी जो लहठी जिसको कहते हैं ला. We used to melt it and then make it from that, right?
Yes, लाख.
So see that kind of an imagination we had at that time. हमारे पास कोई resource अलग से नहीं होता था.
True.
Right? We used to run behind the butterflies.
Yeah.
अभी तो butterflies दिखते ही नहीं है. Sorry.
True.
But we used to run behind the butterflies. Dragonfly को पकड़ के we used to put a straw in the tail and we used to see this is our dragonfly which I have done it, right? So it's तरह की चीजें. So anything and everything which gives you pleasure without hurting anybody was a toy. And what used to do along with the brothers and sisters, उस समय क्या joint family में भाई बहन इतने होते थे कि you never needed any other people.
True. You had so many friends also around. Your siblings.
Yes. Yes, siblings, दोस्त कम होते थे लेकिन घर में इतने लोग होते थे कि you never were short of friends. और उसके बाद क्या खाना नहीं खाना है मुझे तो कभी याद ही नहीं आता कि मेरी मम्मी ने कभी बिठा के खिलाया होगा. वो सब ऐसे ही खा लेते थे. एक प्लेट में 3 लोग बैठ के खा रहे हैं, 4 लोग बैठ के खा रहे हैं. We are fighting but still loving each other.
Right.
So there was no definition. When it comes to toys, I'm very excited. Reason being, कि इतनी सारी चीजें जो हमने बचपन में करी हैं, वो
Yeah.
गिल्ली डंडा खेलना भी टॉय था, कंचे खेलना भी टॉय था,
सही है.
साइकिल के पीछे भागना भी टॉय था,
हाँ जी.
और साइकिल सीखते समय वो कहते हैं ना, हाफ साइकिल कहते थे उसको.
हाँ.
पहले हाफ साइकिल सीखते थे, फिर फुल साइकिल सीखते थे. यस.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yes. So there are so many things, right from दिवाली की सफाई हो, चाहे मतलब
Yes.
कोई भी पर्व त्योहार हो, everything used to be like toys,
Yeah.
and we used to make fun out of it. हमें कभी बोर नहीं लगा.
हाँ.
आज के डेट में जो फिजिकल गेम्स और बोर्ड गेम्स की बात करते हैं, बच्चे उससे क्यों बोर हो जाते हैं? क्योंकि उसमें ज्यादा क्रिएटिव उनको मिलता नहीं है. दे
नहीं.
ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट, नहीं मिलता तो उसको छोड़ के नाउ दे लुक फॉर समथिंग एल्स.
True. Absolutely true.
एंड
Bang
हमारे
on
पास क्या होता
point.
था कि यस, इतनी सारी चीजें होती थी कि हमें बोर होने का समय नहीं होता था. और इतनी सारी क्रिएटिविटी अपने आप ही पैदा हो जाती थी. जो लर्निंग की हम बात कर रहे हैं, कोहेसिवनेस, ब्रदरहुडनेस, व्हाटएवर यू कॉल इट, टीम प्लेइंग, क्रिएटिवनेस, तो वो सारी चीजें अपने आप ही निकल के आती थी. अब मैं आपको छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. अभी आजकल के डेट में बच्चे ना वो चिप्स और कुरकुरे इन सब चीजों की डिमांड करते हैं, राइट? हमारे समय नहीं था. हम क्या करते थे? लाजवंती का पौधा देखा होगा, टच मी नॉट.
Yes.
इफ यू टच इट, इट विल मुरझा जाता है वो.
Yes.
हम ढूंढते थे वो किधर है, और
हाँ.
झाड़ियों में जाकर उसको छूते थे, देखते थे और खुश होते थे.
हाँ.
ये जो मिंट, पुदीने के पत्ते, आई रिमेम्बर मेरे गांव में जो हैंड पंप होता था, चापाकल. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव यूज्ड दैट.
Yeah, I've seen that.
यस. तो चापाकल के पास ना पानी जमा होता था, वहीं पे पुदीना जम जाता था, खुद से उग
Yes.
जाता था.
Yes.
पुदीने के पत्ते को तोड़ करके, धो करके नमक के साथ खाओ, कभी आपके पेट में कोई गड़बड़ हो ही नहीं सकती. और इसके लिए हमें किसी मेडिसिन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी.
Correct.
So if I talk about, there are n number of things I can keep on talking for hours and hours and hours. The best part is when it comes to technology, we have limited our children with certain things only. वो हमने limitation लगा दिया. हम अपने बच्चों को बाहर नहीं जाने देते. We care for our children more, and we say that नहीं, बच्चे बाहर जाएंगे तो धूल लग जाएगी, मिट्टी लग जाएगी, चोट लग जाएगी, क्या होगा, I don't know. But आप समझो ना, आज के डेट में भी इंडिया में, if you see the laborers working near the construction sites, right?
Yeah.
उनके बच्चे वहीं खेलते हैं, वो पेबल से खेलते हैं, मिट्टी में खेलते हैं, उनको कभी कोई बीमारी नहीं होती.
नहीं होती.
Because their immune system, grows that way. हमने अपने बच्चों को
प्रोटेक्टिव हो जाते हैं.
yes. मैं तो, if you see, I have photographs of my child when he is playing with dog, he is playing with calf, he is playing with goats, right? And कभी मुझे कभी infection, touchwood, कभी नहीं हुआ. And he is still of that particular thing कि उसको हर चीजों से इतना ज्यादा प्यार है. बच्चे किचन में, rightly said by Kaniz, I have मतलब shot some videos. My child is playing with onion, he's playing with a boiled egg, he's playing with a fry pan and drumming like something. So
Drums.
yes. So you have so many things to do. वो creativity को हमने उसमें ना क्या एक frame कर दिया है कि this is a toy, you have to play with it.
Constraint कर दिया है.
हमने कंस्टेंट कर दिया है. इसको आप दी, उसको छोड़ दो ना, तो बच्चे हर चीज में एंजॉय करेंगे. आई हैव सीन माय किड्स नॉट प्लेइंग विद एनी ऑफ द टॉयज. वो क्या करते हैं, वो जैसे किचन यूटेंसिल्स बोला, जूते के डब्बे हैं, किसी चीज का डब्बा उठा लिया, ये शूज के डब्बे उठा लिए, कोई भी कंपोनेंट उठा लिया, एंड दे स्टार्ट प्लेइंग. और टूटने वाली चीजें बहुत कम होती हैं इस तरह की चीजों में, unless and until they are very fragile. Otherwise, if you see, anything and everything can be a toy, provided you get to learn something.
Yeah.
So my takeaway from this particular toy session is, don't limit our children to a particular set of products which we call toys.
Right.
Everything is a toy, provided it should not hurt anybody.
True.
Right? And आप इसको जितना ओपन रखेंगे ना, अपने माइंड को टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ जोड़ के देखेंगे, तो इट्स नॉट बैड. See, I have been to certain factories wherein I have seen people making edible toys. बच्चे छोटे छोटे खिलौने मुंह में रख लेते हैं, and we are really spectacle कि यार क्या होगा, बच्चा मुंह में रख लिया, निगल लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा. So now people are manufacturing that kind of a toys which are edible and digestible, right? Even if your child swallows it, it will be digested in the stomach.
Okay.
तो टेक्नोलॉजी का एक वो भी रूप है. It's a part of technology wherein we are learning all those.
Yeah.
Then you don't have sharp edges, right? Obviously,
Yes.
वो सारी चीजें टेक्नोलॉजी ने टेक केयर कर लिया है.
Hmm.
But limiting mind should not be there. That is my only take.
Absolutely.
Anything and everything can be a toy. That's all
Absolutely.
from my side.
What a powerful message, Alok ji. Very powerful message. We should not be limiting. We should not be constrained. Setting any kind of boundaries or constraints for the kids. Let them be more creative. True. True. Just when Alok ji was talking about his son, creating something from the toys. Even I just recollected last week we have a carton, a cardboard box, kuch container, kuch books आई थी. So there was a box like this. We had some books delivered, and out of that box, my son made a cutout on 4 sides, and he opened it completely. The box. He's stood inside the box, जैसे नीचे से पैर रखकर अंदर खड़े होकर वो box पकड़ लिया. He held the box, and because of the cutouts, I said, "What is this? What have you made?" So he said, "This is a car." I said, "Car? Where are the wheels?" Then he showed me those cutouts on the sides. He took help of his father and did it. I did not know because I was here working, and they did this outside. But when I saw it, I said, "Oh wow, good!" And he took that cardboard car in the evening outside to play with his friends. And he took a waist pocket, which we use for travel to keep in keys or some money. He made a sword out of the cardboard. He put that sword in that waist pocket, and he's imagining that he's driving, he's having a sword in his waist pocket and that cardboard car, and he's running around with it outside with all his friends. So he's not even shy कि दूसरे बच्चे क्या बोलेंगे, what will others say that he's playing this. So emotionally they become strong, they become open, they're creative, and so many things. I mean, you get so we all get emotional, and when we talk about our own kids, when we talk about ourselves. So we'll move ahead to Mahendra ji, and he is a corporate trainer, and he's also a parenting expert. Now with Mahendra ji, we'll try to understand about experiences with toys. We already have shared so many. From your perspective, from maybe your life with your kids, or of any other experiences which you have seen, we would request you to share with us, so that parents will, with every experience people learn. So request you to share a few experiences.
So thank you, Veena ji. First of all, you're doing a wonderful job. So kudos to you and your effort for ensuring that parents are able to learn some of the basic concept.
Yeah, we all
which can give a joyful parenting to them.
Yes.
So thank you so much for doing the great work.
Most welcome. We
And
all
I'm
have
so
the same intention.
Yes, and I'm so thrilled to be part of this wonderful panel discussion, because when I was listening to other expert, you know, though it's a very small thing, but the insight is very, very crucial.
Yes.
If we start looking toys per se in a that different perspective. And if you have noticed, every time when somebody was talking about their childhood experience and the toys, and probably their children's toys experience, they had a great feeling and smile on their face.
Absolutely. We all get so passionate about it.
Right. So as you just mentioned, people get emotional about it.
Yeah.
Just by thinking about the moment when they were playing with toys, or just by watching your child is playing with a toy, you can get emotional. You can, have a very great feeling.
Yeah.
What else do you want in your life, right? Don't we all want that joyful, happy experience?
Yes.
And that is what we are striving for. That is what we are working for.
Absolutely.
So the topic is very, very crucial. Now, toy. See, for example, when I was a kid, everything was toy for me. Anything and everything that comes to me is a toy. So that gives me a very good insight that, a child is always in a play mode. Always and always in a play mode. And when he or she grows up, as a society, we keep on educating, telling, and framing the child that no, this has to be worked in only a particular way. And that's how we become adult and we grown up. This is required for survival. It's not like it's not bad, it's a bad thing, but it also has got a lot of side effects or a different meaning. So what I have realized over the years, that child is always in a play mode. Anything and everything is a toy for him. Now, most of the time, what happens is it becomes child's life. So I remember when I was a kid, I had a very small toy like a Jeep. So that those years, Jeep was a very very good thing to have. Okay,
Yeah.
so that plastic Jeep was very very dear to me, and for almost 1 year or probably 1.5 year, it used to be with me, and I always used to drive. It was a pride for me.
Yeah.
One day, it gone. It went
Oh,
somewhere. Somebody might have stolen it. Okay,
okay.
and and I was shocked. I was trauma. Like a
Yeah.
trauma for me.
Yes, it is trauma for kids.
And I cried and I
Yeah.
cried and I cried like a small baby. I was crying for the entire day.
Oh my God.
So I got the replacement as a new car, but the feeling
Yeah.
always remained with me.
True.
And that is where I have realized
Hmm.
the toy, what other panel expert also mentioned, it helps you to creativity, imagination, emotional bonding, cohesiveness, team building. It teaches a lot of things.
Yeah.
But over the years, as a parenting expert, you also know our life script is being written by
Hmm.
the 6 or 7 years of our age, right?
Hmm.
Most of the
Yes.
part of subconscious is already being formed.
Yes. Yes.
Now, whatever experience you are having right now,
Hmm.
there's a dotted connection with your childhood.
Yes.
And toys are the integral part of your childhood.
Absolutely.
So, how you dealt with your toys will determine how you are dealing with the other things in your life right now.
True.
So, for example, let me again give an example. Right now, how you tackle a job loss or your business loss or a something major setback in your life,
Yes.
you will be surprised to know
It
it
matters.
is already being formed during your childhood.
Exactly. Exactly.
So, for example, right now, 1 crore rupees may be very, very valuable to you. And you may work very hard for it, or if you lose 1 crore rupees, it will be very
True.
painful for you. The same amount of pain you will uh, experience when somebody destroy your that cards ka
Yes.
make that
Cards
palace
tower, which you made.
card
Yeah.
tower, right?
Yeah.
Same amount of pain will be felt by the child.
Yeah. True. Very true.
So so toys has to be age appropriate. Like babies will have a different toys, preschooler will have a different toy, the kids will have a different toy, the adult will have a different toys, but the feeling remains the same.
Same.
The
Emotions is
experience and emotions remains the same.
as we
So
human beings. Yes. As we
so
human beings, it's going to be, the same experiences, the same feeling, even if you're an 8-year-old or an 80-year-old. The loss of something, how do you handle that loss? How do you connect with that toy or a human being? Those feelings remain the same. True.
so that is where parents have to realize that when something is happening with the toys, don't give a generic statement, "हाँ, कुछ नहीं होता आता है, अरे चलता है, तेरे को नया लाके दे देंगे."
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, यार, तू दूसरा बना लेना. You have to realize
Yeah.
that you are subconsciously teaching your child how to deal with the failure.
True.
When your child is coming and showing you something like what you were just talking about, or what Kanis and
Yeah.
other people are also talking
Yeah.
about,
Yeah.
you have to make them realize that yes, you have achieved something,
Absolutely.
because that is what you are laying down a foundation
Foundation.
how to become an achiever and winner.
True.
The moment you start seeing toys as a life skills coach, a tool, a
Yes.
prop,
Yes.
the way you look at toys will always will change for forever.
Perspective will change.
So starting, you change your perspective. Start
True.
looking toys as a life skills tool
Gee.
and start acknowledging it.
Yeah.
And whenever you feel, always ask questions, because children will always have as you rightly mentioned, unimaginative answer,
True.
which you can't, as an adult, can imagine. So very, very important. As a child, you lay that foundation, because when they become the adult, they will replicate the same behavior.
True.
And my dear parents and friends, let me tell you, as in when you grow up, these toys will always remain till the age of till you die.
Yeah.
Only the perception of toys will change.
True.
So as in when you grow up, your car becomes your toys.
Yeah.
Your mobile phone becomes your toys.
True.
Your job becomes your toys. Even people becomes toys.
True.
No, your adventure, job, anything
Yeah.
and everything can become a toy. So
Yeah.
toy will always remain the same. So don't think that toy is only for the children.
Childhood, yeah.
Toy is for only
Every-
also for you.
Every stage of life, your toys keep on changing. True.
Keep on changing, right?
True,
Right.
true,
But no toys can replace the value of a parent.
true.
So as a parent, you are the best toy for your child.
Yeah.
And what a child want with toy, they want to play,
True.
right? So
True.
play with your child. You also act as a toy for them so that they can explore and imagine and create the bonding which you
True.
always look forward for with your child.
True.
That is how you can convert that entire experience with toys
Yes.
and make it a bonding tool, make it a educational tool, make it a engagement tool, make it a entertainment tool.
Absolutely.
You can use toys in any way,
Anyway.
and
absolutely.
everything is a toy.
Everything is a toy. It's a beautiful message for parents that
I will
Educate
just
it.
like to share one thing.
please, please,
Okay? When
please.
he was talking so like, with that energy about toys,
Yeah.
and that I just still I play with the balloon, whenever I go in the
Yeah.
market, I see that wo gas wala balloon. I
Yeah.
just buy one and just, I don't care, like, people are watching me and I buy. And sometimes my son says, Mama, you are still a kid. आप यहाँ पे भी लगी हो balloon से खेलने के लिए. So that is the way that Alok ji said that everything that gives you pleasure.
Yeah.
And it is like the way Mahendra ji said that we can have fun learning everything.
True.
Right. It is about the fun. We can learn everything. And that suddenly bring out to me like, okay, I still play with a balloon.
Yeah.
So maybe it's something like for other people, they say, oh, really? A grown-up lady?
No, even I, like my son is 5 years. So when he plays with those bubbles, even I go outside in the veranda and play with those
Yes,
bubbles.
same here. Same
Yeah.
here.
So I
That
still
is my
love to play
favorite
with
game.
bubbles.
Right. Correct.
I'll also like to add
I
here
burst those
something.
bubbles also.
Yes.
She blows and I burst the bubbles.
Yeah.
I enjoy a lot.
Yes, Alok ji.
I'll tell you one small story of mine. I was very fond of climbing up a guava tree.
Okay.
मेरे गांव में ना घर के सामने एक अमरूद का पेड़ हुआ करता था
जी.
और वो सालों भर फलता था
Hmm.
और मेरा फेवरेट टाइम पास था कि मैं एक कागज की पुड़िया में नमक लेकर के पेड़ पे बैठ जाता था
हाँ.
and I used to pluck and eat
Hmm.
till the time I was being scolded कि अब नीचे आ जा कुछ वैसा.
Yeah.
So one day I thought ना इन सादा सादा नमक के साथ ना अमरूद खाने में मजा नहीं आ रहा. Let me do something new.
Hmm.
Since I was a kid, मुझको ज्यादा कुछ पकाने बनाना था नहीं. So I thought I'll take a rock salt. It was in my mind. I'll crush it. I'll make it a powder. अभी तो वो टाटा सॉल्ट, वो फ्री फ्लो टाटा सॉल्ट आ गया, पहले रॉक सॉल्ट हुआ करता था.
Correct.
तो उसको खाने में दिक्कत होती थी.
हाँ.
तो मैंने रॉक सॉल्ट लिया, उसको क्रश किया. Then I thought what to mix with it. थोड़ा सा टेस्टी बनाया. So I took pepper. पेपर को क्रश किया, वो किया. Then I took some chili powder and वो मिक्स किया. बना करके ना I was just about to had something, somebody hit my hand और वो कागज में गिर गया.
Oh.
सारा का सारा गिर गया. And मिट्टी में मिल गया वो. It was on the floor. अब मैं कहता मुझे वही चाहिए. I was crying कि मुझे वही चाहिए. My mother said कि चलो दूसरा बना देते हैं. I was like नहीं, मुझे तो वही वाला चीज जो मैंने बनाया है.
Oh.
अब वो मिल नहीं सकता. So I cried a lot. But what I'm trying to say is there is a lot of imagination done. कि I was creating something new for my flavor, which I didn't know what will happen.
True.
I put lots of efforts. और एफर्ट के बाद जब लगा कि नहीं यार, if something has missed out, so पता नहीं मेरा क्या खो गया था. It was hardly a piece of rock salt and a pepper. See how costly it is.
Yeah.
But the emotion which it was, along with my creation, that was my creation and my emotion was fully there.
Yeah.
तो मैं लग रहा था पता नहीं मेरी जिंदगी का क्या मिस हो गया. And I cried for I think more than 2 hours. कि
Yeah.
मेरे को अब वो कैसे मिलेगा क्योंकि वो तो मिट्टी में मिल चुका है.
हाँ.
So
और
that
ये
is how.
ये बहुत अच्छी बात बोली आलोक जी ने, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, कई बार एज अ पेरेंट हम ये मिस्टेक करते हैं कि हम वर्दीनेस ऑफ अ टॉय हम कहीं ना कहीं सबकॉन्शियसली पैसे से कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं.
Yes.
अरे कुछ नहीं
yes.
हुआ, ठीक है दोबारा ले लेंगे.
हाँ.
अगर वही वो मान लो 5,000 का टॉय है तो वी विल बी एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्शियस, उसको बहुत ज्यादा इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं.
Yes.
सस्ता हुआ तो हम उसको बहुत नेग्लेक्ट
कोई
करते
बात
हैं.
नहीं.
लेकिन
True.
बच्चे के लिए money is not a parameter.
No,
उनको
they
money समझ में
value,
आती ही नहीं है.
their
कितना भी
value
आप
is
समझा
different.
लो, right? They don't understand money concept.
No.
उनके लिए उनका उसके साथ इमोशनल कनेक्ट, दैट इज द पैरामीटर. और जैसे आलोक जी
True.
आपने जस्ट बोला ना कि मैंने खुद ने बनाया था वो,
True.
तो आई
Yes,
वांटेड टू नो कि
yes.
क्या बन रहा है.
Hmm.
Correct.
Feeling cannot be replaced by any other whatever they give you.
True.
True.
Absolutely.
So you are right. Yeah.
That
Please
is
go
the
ahead.
value
Thank you.
what we give. हम उस चीज को मॉनेटरी टर्म्स में वैल्यू करते हैं. बच्चे के लिए तो वो एक इमोशनल वैल्यू है. So
Sure.
we need to understand that value which we put in while what are we teaching our kids in a way. If as Mahendra ji said,
Ji, 1 second. Give me 1 minute. I'll just come back. Okay.
हाँ
I
हाँ,
got to do something.
I'll pause the video, no problem. I'll edit it. God,
I
I'm
want to,
emotional in
हाँ,
between. I'm my eyes are full with water.
You are getting so emotional.
Yeah, आंखों में पानी आ गया मेरे.
Yeah, Kanis, you're saying something?
yeah, I wanted to tell here something. Though kids love to play,
Hmm.
when parents ask their kids to get your toys back to their shelf, it becomes 3 times heavier for the child. They don't want to take them out. They don't want to, get them into the shelf back. Okay, they want to scatter every time all the toys to be there.
Yeah,
That's another part.
yeah,
They don't want anything to be, kept apart.
yeah.
And
My house, most of the time, if you look at the living room, there'll be toys scattered around.
I want to give one example actually.
Hmm.
So now, so I have gone somewhere and I bought this doll for my daughter. Okay.
Okay.
Very pretty. I really liked it. The moment I saw it, I thought I have to buy this.
Yeah.
Very, very pretty. Excellent. And I gifted to my daughter. She liked it also. बट वही है ना, अच्छे से संभालना. तू हर टॉय को फाड़ देती है, तोड़ देती है, इसको अच्छे से रखना. इससे कॉस्टलियर बनो. ओके.
Yeah.
तो उसको अच्छे से खेलना, ये खेलना. 1-2 दिन तो उसने खेला and since then it's lying there. Okay.
Huh.
ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है. And now see, look at this toy. Look at this toy. वो इसको कपड़े पहनाती है, इसको डिसमेंटल करती है, और ये आई थिंक फ्रॉम 2 years she has been using the same toy.
Same doll. True. True.
मतलब the example that I was giving you, it is true reflection of the same thing.
Absolutely.
This doll is more precious than this doll.
Yeah.
Now from the outer beauty we may say कि यार नहीं, ये तो सुंदर ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है, इसके
हाँ.
कपड़े ज्यादा अच्छे हैं, ये बड़ी है ज्यादा. Whatever you, any logical reasoning that you are giving does not make your child to love this
No,
doll more
it
than
will
this.
not be applicable. Our reasons will not be applicable at all. They have their
Right.
own reasons to play with this toy or that toy. True.
So that is where as a parent we have to realize
Yeah.
that our parameter will not fit into your child's parameter. So
Absolutely.
look from your child's perspective. When you look at a toy, see from your child's perspective, and that's how you will learn how to use it for a betterment of your child.
True. True. True.
So if I sum up, I'll tell you, let's not tag our children with the toys.
True.
Let them be themselves. जैसा वो है वैसे रहने. हम टैगिंग कर देते हैं, this is good, this is bad. इससे खेलो ये अच्छा है, इससे मत खेलो ये बुरा है. Don't do that. For parents, it is a simple advice. Don't tag your children in any form. Let them be as natural as they can be.
Absolutely. We've got so many powerful messages and so many perspectives, so many stories, so many discussions today, which was so beautiful and so informative and enlightening, I'm sure, for the parents, lot of takeaway points from this session. And we'll be missing Ruby ji for the closing, for saying bye to everybody. But she's there amongst us. I mean, we'll have her presence here. Just a small, I would like to share a poem before closing the session. It's about my favorite toys. I have a lot of favorite toys. I cannot choose just one. I need to keep them all around for different kinds of fun. A book, a doll, a drum, a ball, and of course, my teddy bear. A wagon, a bike, and finally, I like the jack in the box sitting there. As you can see, I need them all. for work and play and rest. When you go home to find your toys, which ones would you like the best? So it's so difficult to choose a toy. This is my favorite toy. That is my favorite toy. I like the teddy bear. I like the cycle. I like a ball. I like a doll. So selecting a toy for a child is very difficult, but because with each toy, they have different kinds of fun. So that is all for today's session. Thank you so much for all the panel members, and looking forward for more discussions on more topics which can help parents look at their children and teach their children different values and different beliefs which they can carry throughout their life.
Can I share one 4-liners in Hindi?
Okay.
You must have heard the poem from Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, and I have miles to go before I sleep. So there is a Hindi translations to it which is done very nicely. That is what I wanted to share with you.
Yeah.
सघन गहन मनमोहक वनतरु मुझको आज बुलाते हैं. सघन गहन मनमोहक वनतरु मुझको आज बुलाते हैं. किंतु किए जो वादे मैंने याद मुझे आ जाते हैं. अभी कहाँ आराम बदा वह मूक निमंत्रण छलना है. अरे अभी तो मिलो मुझको चलना है.
Wow, beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful. Thank you so much, all the parenting experts. Thank you so much for the session. Have a great day. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you to you too, Bina.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
everyone.
Thanks all of you.
Thank you.